Today, all my dear students, today I shall discuss about in IITG Men's and NEET preparation. We have this question is this question is one, a bull of mass, a bull of mass 0.5 kg is dropped dropped from the height dropped from the height of 10 meter. The height at which the height at which the magnitude of velocity equal to the magnitude of acceleration of acceleration on due to gravity on due to gravity so on meter v g equal to 10 meter per second square. A bull of mass 0.5 kg is dropped from a height of 10 meter. The height at which the magnitude of velocity is equal to the magnitude of acceleration on due to the gravity g equal to 10 meter per second square. Solution. Here the mass of bull here the mass of bull equal to 0.5 kg and height is equal to 10 meter. Suppose that a bull of mass that means this figure, a bull of mass is 0.5 kg is dropped from the height in downward direction dropped will be the downward direction in 10 meter. The height at which the magnitude of velocity equal to the magnitude of the acceleration on due to the gravity that means normal reaction is R and the W equal to mg where m is mass and g is acceleration due to gravity. Acceleration due to gravity. This body ball of mass is dropped in downward direction, so the normal reaction is R and the weight W equal to mg is control. This is the ball of mass where m equal to mass and g equal to acceleration due to gravity. So this formula, now from formula we have, you have v square equal to u square plus u square plus 2as. This is the initial velocity. U equal to initial velocity is 0. Initial velocity is 0, is dropped to the downward direction. So the gravity is 10 meter per second square. Then u, that means 0 a square plus 2 into a, that means 10, multiply s, v, that means 10 meter whole square, 10 square 100 is equal to 0 plus 20 s. This implies s equal to 100 upon 20 is equal to 5 meter. Answer. That's all. Thank you very much.